Okay, here we are doing chapter 10, test yourself from page 123 and 124. यहाँ पर जो पहला सवाल है that is how fast does light travel? Light we all know कि इसकी स्पीड साउंड की स्पीड से काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है. That's why thunderstorms में हमेशा सूरज जो लाइटनिंग होती है उसको पहले देखते हैं और उसके बाद हमें बादलों की गरजने की आवाज़ आती है. So we need to give specific value here. So light travels almost 300,000 km per second in air. And light travels at different speeds through different materials. For example, अगर एयर से ग्लास में जा रही है या ग्लास से किसी और मटेरियल के अंदर वो ट्रैवल कर रही है लाइट, तो उसकी स्पीड चेंज हो जाएगी. दैट्स व्हाई वी सॉ द रिफ्रैक्शन फिनोमेना. और 300,000 किलोमीटर एक सेकंड के अंदर वो डिस्टेंस कवर करती है पर सेकंड मींस. Question number 2 is why can we represent light rays using a ruler? So we all know that light ray travels in a straight line. और किसी भी स्ट्रेट लाइन को अगर हमें शो करना है तो हम रूलर यूज करते हैं. सो light travels in straight line. That is why we represent light rays using a ruler. Now here we need to differentiate transparent and translucent materials. So transparent वो material है जिनमें से light pass करती है, translucent वो है जिनमें से partially pass करती है, और opaque materials वो होते हैं जिनमें से completely light pass नहीं कर सकती. So we define it that materials that completely allow light rays to pass through them are known as transparent objects. And materials that partially allow light rays to pass through them are known as transparent objects. And we can quote examples in both of the sections. Then we have question 4 here. There are different materials given here, and we have to specify that which of them are translucent, which are opaque, and which are transparent. So acetate sheet और grease proof papers ये translucent है, इनमें से partially light pass करती है. Frosted glass भी translucent है. जो simple glass होता है आपके पास that is transparent, वो most of the light rays को pass करता है. और metal and wood, these are opaque objects. Now from the next page, the question 1 is what is a plane mirror? So plane mirror कोई भी flat surface जो reflective properties रखती हो उसे हम plane mirror कहते हैं. Otherwise तो उसे plane surface कहा जाएगा if there is a surface which has not any sort of up and down, so that is a plane surface. और plane mirror वो surface, वो flat surface जिसकी reflective properties हों, जो light को reflect करे और image generate करे. Question number 2, explain how you cannot see an image in the piece of paper. Because piece of paper is just a flat sheet. It doesn't have reflective properties. So we can answer in the way that we cannot see an image in the piece of paper because paper does not have reflective properties or it doesn't reflect light. Question number 3. Explain the difference between an incident ray and a reflected ray. Incident ray means जो fall कर रही है और reflected ray जो वहां से strike करके वापस आ रही है. So incident ray means the light ray hits the surface is that considered as incident ray, and the light ray bounce back from the surface is called as reflected ray. What is normal? So इसे आप दो डिफरेंट तरीकों से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. वैसे तो नॉर्मल उस लाइन को कहते हैं जो किसी भी सरफेस के साथ परपेंडिकुलर हो, 90 का एंगल बनाए. And with respect to your reflection or refraction phenomena, in the light section, we can define it. At the point of incident ray, a perpendicular line can be drawn to the surface, and that line is called as normal. Or otherwise, the normal line divides the angle between the incident and reflected ray into two equal angles. That is called as normal. Simply means कि आप incident ray और reflected ray के center में एक straight line लगाएं to the surface जहाँ से वो light reflect हो रही है, that will be considered as normal. Or simply that makes 90-degree angle to the surface with the surface. What is the rule for reflection of light? So reflection of light एक simple rule है, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. You can clearly see in the diagram कि एक ray आ रही है, it strikes through the surface and bounce back. और हमने बिल्कुल उसका जो center है उसको half किया है, and that line is considered as normal. So it can explain the previous question and this question as well. Normal के जो question है उसमें भी आप ये diagram show कर सकते हैं और यहाँ भी. Next question. Explain these terms virtual image and literal inverted. जो images आपको mirror में मिलते हैं उनकी properties में ये terms आप देखेंगे. Virtual image actually एक imaginary image है, so it's not actually formed. So you can define it that virtual images are the images that only appear to be formed behind a mirror. Actually the image is not present here. आपको लगता है वहाँ image बन रहा है, वहाँ कुछ है, but actually वहाँ कुछ नहीं होता. There are not any light is going in there. The other is laterally inverted. Lateral inversion means कि आपका left right appear हो रहा है और right left appear हो रहा है in the mirror. अगर आप खुद को देखें तो आपका left right और right left appear हो रहा है. That is a laterally inverted image. So lateral inversion is the phenomena in which your left appears as the right and right appears as the left in a mirror. This is all from this section.